Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Esther and you're welcome to Exterior TV. And if you are not, thank you for coming back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make mango smoothie. Here I have 1 cup of milk that I'm going to be using. I'm also going to be using this large mango, the ripe mango, and then I have my blender and my knife. So in a bowl, I'm just going to be cutting this mango into 2 halves. I'm going to slice up this mango chunks so I'll be able to blend what I have. Next, I'm going to be adding my chopped mangoes into my blender, and I'll make sure I'll add my cup of milk. You can use any kind of milk, you can use yogurt, you can use ice cream, just whatsoever you like to use. Your smoothie will still come out very lovely, and I'm going to be blending this on a very high speed until it is very smooth. So my mango is all blended, guys, and I'm going to be turning this into my glass cups. And there you have it. I'm going to be garnishing with some of those mango chunks that I have left over, and then I'm going to be adding some drops of honey, and I'm going to be spicing it up with cherries. Mango season, guys. Make use of this opportunity before mango goes out of season. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comments. Let me know what you think of this recipe. Let me know if you're going to try it down in the comment section, and let me know what video you would like to see next on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys, for staying with me up to this time. I love you so much.